Time is something everyone has, but most people feel like they never have enough of it. Why does this happen? Why do so many people struggle to manage their time well? First, let's understand what time really is. Time is a fixed resource. Everyone gets the same 24 hours in a day. You cannot save time for later or make more of it. This means time management is about using those hours wisely. One big reason people struggle with time is because they do not plan their day. Without a plan, tasks pile up and things become overwhelming. When there is no clear schedule, it is easy to waste time on unimportant activities or distractions. Another reason is poor priority setting. Many people treat all tasks as equally important, but not all tasks have the same value or urgency. Failing to prioritize means important work gets delayed or ignored, leading to stress and last-minute rushes. Distractions are a huge time thief. Phones, social media, and notifications constantly interrupt focus. Even small distractions can add up and waste hours every day. Without discipline, people lose track of time easily. Procrastination is also a common problem. Putting off difficult or unpleasant tasks makes the workload heavier later. Procrastination often happens because people feel overwhelmed or unsure where to start. This creates a cycle of delay and stress. Sometimes people struggle because they say yes to too many commitments. Trying to do everything for everyone leaves little time for important personal or work goals. Learning to say no is essential for better time management. Finally, many people underestimate how long tasks take. Being unrealistic about time needed causes schedules to fail. This leads to rushing or skipping steps, which reduces quality and increases stress. To sum up, people struggle with time because they lack planning, fail to prioritize, get distracted, procrastinate, overcommit, and underestimate task time. Understanding these reasons is the first step to improving time management. With better awareness and small changes, anyone can use time more effectively and feel less stressed. Time is limited, but how we use it makes all the difference.